Hey everyone, we're going to factorize with radical numbers. So we want to factor this, use our difference of squares. In our case, we don't have perfect squares here. So let's just look and see what's happening here. So for this first one, the reason we want to factorize is so we can solve for x. So basically what you could do is do this. Set this to 0. And solve for x. So this is going to be x squared equals 2. And then you go x equals plus or minus square root of 2 when you take the square root of both sides. Don't forget your plus and minus. So those are that's your two solutions. So you really don't have to factorize it. You can get the solutions this way. But what we're going to do is use this. So we have that a equals x and b equals square root of 2. Because square root of 2 squared gives you the 2. So now just write it out as x plus square root of 2 times x minus square root of 2. And so the other ones are pretty simple. Just set things up. The square root of x is just x, so a is x. The square root of 3 is just square root of 3. So just using this formula. This is for when we have i's, but we don't have that in this video. So you're just going to write x minus square root of 3 times x plus square root of 3. And, oops. The next one, let's simplify this. If I did x squared minus 12 equals 0, you'd get x squared equals 12. And you square root both sides, you get x equals plus or minus square root of 12, which is going to be square root of 4 times 3, which equals 2 times 3. 2 times square root of 3. So all you have to do with that is you're going to say x minus 2 square root of 3, x plus 2 square root of 3. You want to simplify these as much as possible. And on the last one, let's do square root of 18. That simplifies to 9 times 2, which equals 3 square root of 2. So your final answer is just going to be x minus 3 square root of 2 times x plus square root of 3 over 2, or 3 times square root of 2. It doesn't matter what order if you put plus or minus. I could easily put x plus 3 square root of 2 times x minus 3 times square root of 2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.